Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. My name is Dineo and I am LSaymise123 on Instagram. If you've been supporting me, thank you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed, honey, what are you waiting for though? Please do click on the subscribe button, like and share my video as well. Click on the notification bell so that you know when there's new content available for you to watch. And please do not skip ads. Please do not skip ads. I would truly appreciate that. It is yet another creative day, honey. I hope that you do find this video fun as I did, and I think we nailed the look. Let's get right into our video.
Starry night, angel lights, the stars alight when you came into my life. Hands in hands, heart to heart, lips on lips, loving kiss. We are one underneath the moonlight. Underneath the moonlight. With your body next to mine, I feel so divine, so divine. I won't forget this feeling. We're in no element, just you and me, underneath the moonlight, underneath the moonlight, underneath the moonlight, underneath the moonlight. hands locked from across the room. Hot sweat dripping, bright neon lights. She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass ignites. Curves like poetry, tender whispers in the air. The touch sends shivers, electrify my skin. In this crowded haze, we ignite the flare. Love connection where we both fit. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires. Wild and free, no labels define our story. We're dancing in the dark, a trance of glory. A trance of glory. Beneath the opalescent lights, our worlds collide. A touch electric sparks flying as our hands glide. In the hum of the crowded room, her words cut clear. A dialogue profound, pulling me near. No pretense in the grip, no hollow words spill. Only the truth of the moment, thrill that's real. In the swirl of dim lights and fleeting glances, we found a rhythm of our own, taking our chances. Her voice a melody, her touch a guide. In the chaos of the night, we chose not to hide. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires. Wild and free, no labels define our story. We're dancing in the dark, a trance of glory. A trance of glory. Old memories fade, I walk alone through this empty parade. Night falls so slow, stars don't glow anymore. Heart feels hollow. In my mind, you still shine bright, lost in time, hold you tight. Silent whispers haunt me softly every night, chasing shadows gone from sight. Rain hides my tears, feeling angel eyes. The stars alight when you came into my life. Hands in hands, heart to heart, lips on lips, loving kiss. We are one underneath the moonlight. Underneath the moonlight. Underneath the moonlight. Underneath the moonlight. With your body next to mine, I feel so divine, so divine. I won't forget this feeling. We're in no element, just you and me. Underneath the moonlight, underneath the moonlight, underneath the moonlight, underneath the moonlight. Eyes locked from across the room, hot sweat dripping, bright neon lights. She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass ignites. Curves like poetry.
And loves, we have come to the end of our tutorial. I hope that you did find it fun, interesting, and yeah, I think we nailed it. Let me know your thoughts. If you haven't subscribed and you've watched up until this far, please do click on that subscribe button. I would truly appreciate that. Like and share my video as well. Click on the notification bell so that you know when there's new content available for you to watch. Till we meet again on my next video. Bye!
We're dancing in the dark, a trace of glory. A trance of glory.